Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 Mathematics Past question 55. The probability of passing a test is 0.7. What is the probability of failing the test? A, you have 0.3, B, you have 0.7, C, you have 17, and D, you have 1. Now the question says the probability of passing a test is 0.7. What is the probability of failing the test? Now I want you to understand that the probability of a thing to occur cannot be greater than 1. That is, probability of anything occurring is equal to or what or less than 1. It's either equal to or less than 1. It can never be greater than 1. It can never be greater than 1. Now we have that the probability of passing a test is what 0.7. Now what is the probability of failing the test? Definitely, since we know that the sum of probability is equal to 1, that is total probability of anything occurring is always equal to 1. So since we know that the total probability is equal to 1, we can find the probability of failing the test by subtracting the probability of passing the test from 1, because the probability of passing the test plus the probability of failing the test will give us 1. In the sense, like, what I mean is that probability of passing P plus probability of failing the test is equal to 1. And now we have the probability of passing the test to be 0.7. So that means 0.7 plus probability of failing the test is equal to 1, since we know that the sum of probability is always equal to 1. Now, to find the probability of failing the test, we say what? We subtract 0.7 from 1. That is, probability of failing the test is equal to 1 minus 0.7. And this will give us what? 0.3. So 0.3 is the probability of failing the test, because the probability of passing the test is 0.7, and the law is that when you sum up probabilities together, it will give you 1. So when we subtract 0.7 from 1, we have that the probability of failing the test is 0.3, and which is A. So A is our correct answer. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more videos.